KDP members, member mi KDP an ko bita dugu botu. Kaka choli ko long an abiro botu. Abiro botu through KDP parliament again forum. Awaju lok a chiel ni ka ini bi gamu lok matin dire maja chani for the next 3-4 working days matie ni angwen obi bienu ni ka gi moy ken ma ini bi gamu ma pe dok ilok ma pero ma la wia wobe obolo ki wan ki di wo dong o yabu o mini what topic of discussion o dong enu ka in pe bi gamu lok enu ni e bi tour ka bolo gi mo ki ken ma pa contrary to ngoma la wia wobe o loro la wo ki di wo very late many ang wan ngoma tikatime la wia wobe o loro la wo ki di wo chawa me Uganda chawa bit ki da ki rapier wen me Uganda bot one joma an kama anatiye kumbitini I Germany mega no furutiano mabebe in kumbiti ini ci bol gi mo ki ken bini bol gi mo ki ken KDP mo bini wi tamni ki miuni ki lack of unity ma unity kere kwoni whether in operative pa NRM whether in supporter pa be in supporter pa ila reonet in supporter kono pa kien PP in supporter po Riem Henry bolgi moy platform kan bolgi moy platform kan ma dok ma pe maro lo ma la wia wo bukati kere chawa a bit kida ki rapia wen me Uganda pe wate kere ana bi kon abi gammi ma iri cher kere mu ramu ka do abi deleting jimini ni ho ka do abi removing what you know away because you're present in KDP it's not worth it. Nobody will even miss you beyond in the main in the border. You don't have unity between you are on the other side of divide and rule. You are not on the side of unity. Gimoy ken ma ini bolo KDP tiak perwate king lora ngo mala la wia wobi la wo katikere news ma raj enuni news ma lit ma ini ti side pa lu jok lu tal lu miri madan side pa grids lu cage ma jimi pe ramogi bolla ki moy KDP I will delete you ngo mai chwaru and I will make sure I remove you. Bien wona choli muti platform KDP o dek what le mo wajo ni conformity o dek conforming to policy mati KDP compete don topic tie mala we wo bedon la wo kati okere anything for the next 2, 3, 4 days when it's going to be about local ngo mala we wo kati kere watika ko the rest of the news in ba mirigi moiken is contrary to what Mangoa kitika discussing the KDP. I will remove you. I'll remove you and I be kero ni blacklisting number ni wani when kere pe kero ni koni she koni kero ni koni hong koni kero ni koni Mr. Ching koni kero ni anga ni my kero is not going to matter to KDP. It's not irrelevant, but we are going to remove you. Pian wulu noa and no KDP can make it and you will feel the pain of it. In miri kay tika nyer ko bir do ni do met do bi do dan Roma kom do nen in la mi rogo pa dan Roma bien miri pol miri ki mo country to topic ma perene eneni bien no wati o ki topic ko mala wola wiya wo bolo gam miri ki mo ma part I'm going to remove you. Adi mi KDP or wang standby. Kanga to bolo ki mama petit ruate ki ngo discussion mati on the platform. Just remove them. La wo don't want we're discussing or mo very meeting kila we are wo kachie. and la we will be do cha kwa do. So we, the rest admin, when we are going to be removing those people from platform. Kagi mope ma mia report KDP, kagi mope ma mia gam, ka iri tiki chut machol ma payroll supporting Dan Rama, payroll supporting KDP. Konyi pera mi beri KDP. Go where you belongs. Cher nyua me idaba kunu, cher puru kama ini beri ye. Cher klasi. Jo mati NRM kay tamani komberi do kidon ko tin gena. Ngeni yen ber karne bi bienu. It's coming. Your days are coming. Your days are numbered. They are coming. Ka pero mo supporting Dan Rama. Ka diro ma report komi. Ngatu mo pay mo be supporting yen. Look an wadu eno. Nothing should be posted to KDP. Ma part ki the topic mala we are wo be don la wo ke. And we are going to go back to focus. Focus. Afoya.